Hey everyone, this is Shawn Hayes, and welcome back to my channel where we are the Money Control TV, where we talk about all things money, how to earn it, sow it, save it, and definitely enjoy it. So hey, if you're catching this video, it's because you wanted to know how can I find out which counties I want to serve as a notary public, as a notary signing agent. So before we get started, as you can see, we're on zipcodes.com. But before we get started, put in the comments, let me know which state you are notarizes, you are notary public for. You know, I'm a state of large in Kentucky. And so I researched in the state of Kentucky has over 120 counties. So I know I'm not going to service all 120 counties, but I do want to service those counties that is closer to my place of residence or my home office, right? So you guys, let me know, put it in the comment. If you have not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Make sure that you hit the bell notification so you be the first one to know when I upload a new video. So come on, let's get started. So zipcodes.com is where you want to search at. And so here I typed in Kentucky. As you can see, there are so many counties. I said over 120 counties in Kentucky and so many cities as well. So before you even, accept a job, really understand your business and which counties do you want to service, because I feel like I do not want to drive 2 hours away for a signing. I spend more time on the road than actually doing the job. So you got to understand that basically if you're driving 2 hours away, how much gas are you going to use? So before you accept a job, make sure that you recognize the zip code, the city that they're requesting you to do the job for, because like I said, it might not be worth accepting that job if you're not making a profit, right? It might be $100, but about time you drive to and from, that may be about $50 in gas. And then when you think about the printing and all that good stuff, you're not making any money. You barely, hitting even. So you guys, again, this is zipcodes.com. I'm looking at all of these counties and cities near me. So what I do is say, okay, I live in Kenton County. I know I live in Covington. And so I'm always looking at the radius, what cities and counties around me that I can service. So that means that I can have more signings in a day, right? Because if I'm in Covington and Newport is next to me, man, that's only 10 minutes away. So I can do a signing in Covington, a signing in Newport, maybe a signing in Florence, which is 20 minutes away. And so you got to make sure that before you accept a job, is saying, okay, how far is it? Is it worth my time? Is it even worth the money to accept this job? So down here, you can look up right here, other free lookups. So let's go ahead and look at the city. So I typed in Phoenix because I know my son lives in Phoenix and I have some friends live in Phoenix. And then you can just put, Arizona, the state, and then search. And then it tells you all of the counties and all of the cities. So when you see a zip code 851001, you know it's in Phoenix. You see all these area codes, zip codes, county. Like I said, if you live in Phoenix, you know how close is what county. And so these are a lot of area codes that's in Phoenix. So I know Phoenix, Arizona is large, right? And so you can research this and say, okay, I know I want to only do notary work in these 5 zip codes. I do 41011, 41014, 41071. And so I know my zip codes in the counties that I want to, provide service for. So you can do that as well. Let's go to state of Florida. Right? We can type in Florida because I got friends that live in Florida. And again, it's going to tell you all of the counties, all of the cities. And so if you know the city, you're like, okay, it's cool. And then you look at the zip code. So if it comes by you a job that says refinance and then it has, Jasper or something like that and gives you just the zip code, then you know the distance, right? So I just want you guys to just be aware for this. When you're accepting job, know which county and how far is the distance it is. And if is worth accepting that job. So be mindful of that. I thought this great website for to help you guys with as you become successful in your notary signing agent business. So you guys, until next time, hey, comment down below, get the like, thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you on the next video. Oh, talk to you guys later.